Hi, congratulations India Dance Theatre for creating dance for last 13 years now.
My daughters Anushka and Ahana, they are both in India Dance Theatre for some time now, and Anushka has already absolutely fallen in love with dancing, with the guidance and with seeing the energy of the teachers here. And Ahana started now and she absolutely loves coming to the classes already, and they're looking forward to performing in the showcase. And just congratulations for the fabulous job you're doing. Congratulations on your completing your 13 years here.
With your constant support and motivation, she is becoming better and more graceful every day.
This place is not just a dance institute, but it's like a family to me. I've been associated with this place for more than 6-7 years now, and it has really instilled a lot of confidence in me.
You guys are doing a fabulous job imparting skills and helping children grow, helping in their overall development.
We have been associated with you for
only 13
weeks now. And reaping the benefits of your 13 years of hard work.
My 5-year-old girl, who was initially hesitant and very shy, is now expressing herself through dance.
She absolutely loves to be there. She gets really upset if for whatever reason she ends up even missing one session. The amount of focus, the amount of care that all the instructors at India Dance Theatre take on kids is absolutely commendable.
She has found her passion कि जैसे उसको तो डांस ही करना था हमेशा, और एक मेजर चेंज जो उसकी लाइफ में आया है कि पहले उसको बहुत गुस्सा आता था, दो शी इज़ वेरी यंग, पर वो बहुत गुस्सा करती थी, उसको खुद भी कंट्रोल नहीं होता था इवन इफ शी वांटेड टू. बट अभी 2-3 महीने से जब से उसने ज्वाइन किया है, मैंने नोटिस किया है कि उसको बिल्कुल उस तरह का गुस्सा फिर से नहीं आया. तो बहुत ही अच्छा उसके ऊपर प्रभाव पड़ा इंडिया डांस थिएटर का.
And he absolutely loves it. It's his highlight of the week is coming to the class, and I've seen the kind of confidence he has.
She always comes back happy and saying that today she learned this move and that move, and the growth is there. We can definitely see the growth.
She really enjoys dancing, and here she has really honed her skills. She's become more outgoing, and I'm really thankful to India Dance Theatre for this.
So I've been coming here for a couple of years now, and I've really seen a difference in my dancing, and I'm also very excited to come here.
And she is taking up the things, and she loves to be here every morning.
I came to know about it from someone, and I'm so thankful that we discovered this place. My daughter loved to dance, but I could never find the appropriate good dance classes. But here she feels so inspired to perform, to dance. I'm really thankful. So happy birthday once again.
For me, this is not really just a dance school, but it's a place where it kind of gives you a lot of confidence, it gives you courage.
It's not been so long since I've come here, a couple of months, but those couple of months have made me realize how much I love dancing and has really brought out my passion for dancing. Whenever I come here, my mood instantly lifts, and I was able to discover my dancing skills and improve even more in my dancing, and I'm just so happy I discovered this place.
Thank you so much for letting my daughter
chase her dreams and not just have the skill but also have that discipline and dedication in life. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, RAJOURI. Thank you for inspiring me.
Just wanted to thank you all for being the part of our lives, like my life especially, from past so many years.
I love coming here because it makes me feel stress-free and I'm always looking forward to come to this particular weekend. All the best.
It has been an excellent journey. We've had a good time and we increased from 1 myself to 2, 3, 4 and many more. Wishing you many more growing years. Happy birthday.
Her hesitation on stage is almost zero.
It's amazing to be in IDT. You're up and happy 13th birthday.
Heartiest congratulations to India Dance Theatre for completing 13 years, glorious years, teaching kids and all the people.
I feel motivated coming to here. मैं कितनी भी tired हूँ, I seriously do not wish to miss it. And I am loving it. I wish to celebrate n number of birthdays with this institution.
Thank you for supporting me all the years and helping me find my true passion in dancing.
Wishing you many more years of fun and inspiring teaching.
She's become more active. It is building confidence in her.
Happy birthday, Aditi. I would like to congratulate India Dance Theatre for their 13th anniversary.
It's very happy coming here and having a great fun and beautiful time here.
It is your 13th birthday, so officially you are a teenager now. So well done, and it's been a very phenomenal journey.
Happy birthday, India Dance Theatre.
It's really a privilege to be the part of the community.
Really congratulations guys, I'm really happy for it.
Thank you for always providing us with opportunities to expand our horizons and make happy memories together.
I wish you a very happy 13th birthday.
Thank you for supporting us.
I'm very happy to send my child
To help us actually extend ourselves and to treat this as a whole family.
Thank you for your support and happy birthday again.
Very happy 13th
Birthday, India Dance Theatre.
So thank you for sharing, caring and giving so much to me.
Happy birthday, India Dance Theatre.